If you are inside of this highlighted area today, you need to be prepared for potential severe weather. It's Friday, April 17th, 2026, and we could be dealing with severe weather in this area today, like damaging winds, hail, and potential strong tornadoes. If we check out our tornado risk here, you can see here that we got a 2% tornado risk spanning from parts of Texas all the way up towards the parts of western upper peninsula of Michigan. We also have this 5% tornado risk. We're going from parts of Oklahoma up towards parts of Wisconsin. Then this 10% tornado risk right up here. The 5% and the 10% is marked with a tornado conditional intensity group 1 risk, as well as the 10% being marked in a tornado conditional intensity group 2 risk. Strong tornadoes will be a potential today, including potential violent long track tornadoes. Tornado outbreak is going to be a potential. And tornadoes and damaging winds will probably be the main concern. But as you can see here, we'll have a potential for widespread damaging wind threat, especially within this 30% wind risk and this 45% wind risk with that wind conditional intensity group 1 risk. And then it might even turn into a QLCS tornado threat and more of a wind threat once it turns into more of a line. We could be seeing some very strong winds out here as the storms start to push through. It could take down power lines, take down trees, and can cause a lot of power outages. Check out the hail risk here. Hail is going to be a concern in these areas, so be aware of potential hail in there, so make sure you park your car in the garage. Storms will start developing and getting their act together mainly around 1 p.m. Eastern. As you can see, we're going to have some of these storms out there. And then if we push this up some more, they'll really start getting their act together and then potentially producing some damaging tornadoes and then damaging winds as well, and then hail. And then you can see here, they'll turn into more of a line potentially, and then they'll push through some of these areas. Is that what it might look like at 9 p.m. Eastern right here? And some of the storms will move through in a potential widespread destructive damaging wind threat. Let's check out our CAPE. It stands for Convective Variable Potential Energy. It is going to be off the charts today. We could be seeing a lot of instability out there for potential tornadoes, so that's really something to be watching. If we check out here, we got around 3,000 joules per kilogram out here. So some tornadoes will definitely be a potential. We will have a chance for even some flooding from Dallas up to parts of the UP of Michigan. If you know anyone in these areas, please let them know that they need to be staying weather aware. And if you're inside these areas, please make sure you have weighty alerts and know where you're going to take shelter if needed. And make sure you're staying tuned to watches and warnings and stay weather aware. I have a whole video about this if you guys want to go check it out.